Hey guys, this is the second video of cool photos. So last video of taking cool photos, we set a like goal for 15 likes. And if we hit that like goal, we would make a second video. But we hit a whopping 30 likes, which is way more than we were expecting. So thank you guys so much. In the first episode, I bottled my sister up. Now she escaped and she's gonna gobble me up. All you're going to need is a ping pong ball or a small ball, a recording device, and a victim for your photo. First, get your ball and place it on the ground. Then get your recording device and place it on the ground so the camera faces towards your assistant. Mine is over there. Then tell your assistant to bend their back slightly and open their arms so it looks like they're carrying something heavy. You can then adjust the camera slightly so that it looks like the person is carrying a gigantic ball. This happens because the ball is closer to your camera, so it looks large, while your assistant is farther away, so they look small.